If you want to turn on two-step verification on your Roblox account, this is one of the best ways to keep your account secure. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code every time you log in from a new device. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Then log into your account. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From here, go to the Security tab. Scroll down until you find the two-step verification option. Now choose your preferred method. The easiest option is email verification, so you can turn that on. Once enabled, Roblox will send a 6-digit code to your email whenever you try to log in from a new device. All you have to do is open your email, copy the code, and enter it on the login screen. You can also explore other options like authenticator apps for even stronger security. So yeah, that's how you enable two-step verification on Roblox and keep your account safe from unauthorized access.